for you, man. This one is another trigger to trade video. It was about last week, maybe about a week or two ago. I was on Facebook, you know how that is, and just looking at my timeline, looking at some of the statuses and things some of my people was posting, and I seen one from this brother, I believe he's a subscriber of mine as well to the channel, but he said that he had just put his truck up and drove for about 2 to 2.5 hours, and his fuel had dropped from full to 3/4 tank. And he was like, "Yo, what's going on? Like, there's no way I use up a quarter tank, in 2 hours." And that's one of two things. He didn't fill his tanks up all the way, because if you put the nozzle in the tank and you have it set so it's just pumping by itself, when it clicks the first time, if you just take it out and think it's full, it's not. You can continue pumping from there and usually add another 15 to 20 gallons, from what I've noticed in my truck. So that's 40 gallons on both sides of the tank. That's your quarter tank right there. 50 gallons is what it is in a quarter tank. You burn up a quarter tank of fuel, you should have burned up 50 gallons. 40 gallons, that's basically it. So that's one situation. The other situation is that your gauge just is not reading properly. And in that situation, which is what I dealt with, because I know I had filled my tanks up to the brim, but after driving about 2-3 hours, my fuel gauge is reading, 3/4 tank. And I'm like, there's no way I've used up. I've only gone, maybe 200 miles, 240 miles. I should get every bit 400 miles out of 50 gallons. So what I did is I used the Qualcomm. We have a performance monitoring tab. Click on that. It's going to show you how many gallons of fuel you've burned and the amount of miles you've gone. Let me pull it up. I can give you an accurate description as to what's going on here. So it's going to show you your MPGs. Right now it's saying that I'm getting 8.4 miles a gallon. It's going to show you the amount of fuel you've used, and it's going to show you how many miles you've driven, which is basically miles you've driven plus the fuel you've used. It gives you your MPGs, but you divide those two. But anyways, what I would do is I would use to look at how many gallons I've used, right? So what I did is I said, all right, got a full tank, I'm driving. When it got to the point where it's reading 3/4 tank, I said, let me go and check the fuel consumption via the performance monitor tab. I saw that I had only used up 20 gallons of fuel. So my gauge is reading it properly, or still is reading it properly. It's showing 3/4 tank, which indicates I've used about 50 gallons of fuel. I've only used 20. So what I've come to know is that I pretty much have at least 20 gallons more than what my fuel gauge is reading. So it's reading 3/4 tank is more like 7/8. It's reading a quarter tank. It's it's really more in between of a quarter and a half. So whatever measurement that is, I don't know if that'd be 3/8, whatever it is. It's more than what it's showing. Okay, so that's how I solved that problem. It's just like tricking the trade for you. Problem solving, fall into that category. But just want to share that with y'all, man. Trick of the trade, quick way to figure out why, to diagnose why your fuel gauge is reading wrong. Maybe it's not reading wrong, maybe it's actually reading correctly. You just didn't fill your tanks up to the brim like I always do. Or it's actually reading it correctly, and you need to figure out what the difference is so that you can account for it moving forward. So yeah, take that, use that, all that good stuff. That's it, I'm out. You know what it is. Till next time, y'all.